How to check heart rate on iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. With the iOS 18, now you can check your heart rate on your device itself. Here is the way to do so. On your device, search for the health application. In the summary section, you will see different options. If you have pinned the heart related highlights, you can check it from the summary itself. However, if it is not there, tap on the Browse tab. Here you will see different categories of health. Search for the heart category and tap on it. After tapping on it, you will see different options regarding the heart rate. iPhones don't measure heart rate directly. Instead, they aggregate data from paired Apple Watch devices. So to check for the heart rate, tap on heart rate option which is given in the list. Tapping on it, you will see all of the details that has been recorded via your Apple Watch. This way you can check for the additional data as well. Tap on show more heart rate data and you will see all of the latest as well as the range. So this is how simply you can check the heart rate on your device. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.